Spring, summer, autumn and winter fairy fly are small light flyers with cheeky smiles and wide eyes. Decorated after their season's namesake, they have a whole story built around them. Fairy fly takes off at a near vertical angle, so she does not need a launch pad or equipment. She can even lift herself off a table. She flies in a circular motion. Control the height and speed of the fairy fly using the one-channel remote controller. With 4 frequencies to choose from, you can have all 4 fairy flies flying in one room at the same time. Fairy fly also recharges via her remote controller. A 15-minute charge will give her approximately 5 minutes of flight. Fairy fly is a rechargeable flying toy. She is easy to use with a one-channel remote controller to direct her flight.